What's something you do that you don't tell anyone about? One thing I do that I don't usually share with anyone is keep a happy moments journal. Whenever something small but positive happens, like a compliment, a kind gesture, or a beautiful sunset, I write it down. This practice helps me stay grounded and reminds me to be grateful even on tough days. I keep this journal private because it's a personal and sacred space, just for me. Another secret act of kindness I do is sending money to my old school every year to purchase 6 prom tickets for students who can't afford to go. The only person who knows about this is the school administrator I email. I believe everyone should have the opportunity to enjoy a special night.